Hello people, this is Ryan, back for another review. I will be doing a series of Transformers motorcycles review, and I'm gonna start off with the Revenge of the Fallen RC. Yeah, having a bit of a cough and some cold. Anyway, on with the review. You may have seen a lot of reviews already of Revenge of the Fallen RC. Most notably, she's known for as a trio in the Revenge of the Fallen movie. The other motorcycle is Chromia, and the other one is Flare Up. I just knew about it just a few minutes ago. Assuming she is the leader of the three. On the figure, she is colored moon red with some pearly white fades on the gas tank. You can pretty much see there. You pretty much have her with a sidecar, which also is a stand if you want her with that one, of course. Particularly weird for a sidecar without a wheel, but what can you do? It's supposed to be attached over there so that she can stand. However, she can pretty much stand because it comes with a kickstand. And there you go. Revenge of the Fallen RC has gotten some mixed reviews, some good, some bad. My opinion is I really definitely like this figure. Alright, let's proceed with the transformation of this figure. Yeah, well, before that, let me just give a comparison with the original Transformers, the movie RC. And this is the first one that came out but never got a screen time on the first movie. I will be doing a review on that since I told you I will be doing a series of Transformers motorcycles, starting off with RC. Let's proceed with the transformation. First thing what you need to do here is pop off the side fairing on the right side, which becomes one of the arms of RC. There you go. You can actually see the three-finger claw hand of RC. And after you do that, pop off the side, which brings down the set of wheels that is found there. Okay. Next thing that you might want to do is take this one and open it up. Okay. Bring the head out and then split this one, the chest piece. You can also split the chest piece with this Mecha-Live gimmick that is found on the chest. You can actually see some gears there moving. Next thing you need to do is untab that one that locks at the edge of the chest, at the edge of the gas tank, and then just move everything on the side. Before you go attach that on the side, you need to open this one, the seat, the back seat, and you can see the other arm forming. Close the seat, and that'll cover the gap that's found there. And then what you need to do is rotate this. This reminds me of Universe Ratchet or Ironhide. Now you see a tab over there. That should actually lock that over there on the side of the gas tank. So, let's see, There you go. You should lock that in place. Okay, now we go to the more challenging part. This one. And I'm going to be teaching you a step-by-step on how to relatively make RC align on her two wheels on one axis. So try to keep up if you're interested. If you have an RC figure, try to just pause and follow with the step-by-step process that I'm doing. All right. So what you need to do here is twist the wheels over there and the other side also, and bring this one down. Okay, so don't try to go ahead and transform it yet. Try to do this step by step. Alright, the next thing here is hold this part and rotate everything 180 degrees. Alright, keeping up. Next thing that you need to do here is put everything, this one down or this one up. In my case, I'm just gonna put that down. Okay, put that down until this one reaches almost touching the wheels. Right? And then what you need to do here is pivot this until this tab, this very small tab, touches the end of this gap. So we're doing it like this. Alright, see the tab, this tab should be touching the end like that over there. Okay, now when you got that in place, move everything forward on the front and then rotate everything and there you go. Let me just adjust the camera for you guys. And there you have RC. Oh, it's not gonna work. Relatively aligned and an axis. Okay. There you go. So let's put her on the stand that came with. That's actually the sidecar. That also doubles as a weapon when you attach that there. If you want to attach that there, of course. You can actually fold that one if you want to, the arms. Or just fold that one so that you have a little less kibble over there. Okay, attach these in there. Let me just straighten things out over there. Alright. And try to move that and wiggle everything. And there you go. Revenge of the Fallen RC. My ball joint was actually loose when I opened it out of the box. It's not supposed to do that. I could actually just put some super glue there or some nail polish, whatever, just to make it a bit tight. But there you go. You see, you can actually align that crooked spine of RC to make it more aligned on an axis over there. Alright, that's it. That's it. That's it about the review on Revenge of the Fallen RC. How do you recommend it figure? I like her in this figure. I'll be doing more Transformers motorcycle reviews in the coming days and weeks. Until then, this is Ryan. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you around.